Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Masudharna from ThemeDev. In the previous video, we learned about booking from display settings. In this video, I will show you from data setup in the ThemeDev plugin. From data means what option customer see in the booking from, including type, services, and date, time, and other thing. So let's go to the from data settings. So here is from data settings. First, we can change our from title. If I visit the booking form, there is from, and this is the title. So we can customize this title from this. So if I change this title like this title, also we can change the subtitle. This is actually this subtitle, and we can change this subtitle like this subtitle. And when we save these changes and reload our booking page, then I can see our updated title and subtitle. Okay. Then the text settings. By default, booking form showing the text here, 20% text and bed. So if you don't want, you can disable this option, but by default it enable. And you can change bed and text. This title actually this title you can easily change what you want. Also you can change the text type like percentage or flat rate. Then you can set your amount, and after that this bed will show the booking summary, as you can see here. Okay. Then next step, service fee. So it's by default disable. If you want, you can set your service fee. It actually depend up to you. So if you want to enable service fee, you have to just enable this switcher. Then this is a title service fee. You can customize this title. Actually this title will appear inside the booking summary. Okay. When it enable, then you can set your service fee what you want. Like I just keep the default title and amount and just enable this service fee. And after save change, if I reload our booking form, okay, and now I as you can see here, service fee $10. So you can customize this service fee title as well the service fee amount. Now the daily booking settings. You can enable these settings, and you can limit the booking. So if you want, you can enable this option, and as well you can set the limit for daily booking. Like you want 10 or 20 bookings, so you can set easily. Or if you don't want, you can disable this option simply, and after that you have to set change. Okay. Now go to the type. Actually a service type, it mean your service type. So you can set the type of service. So first the option is a disable section. If you want, you can disable this option. By default I can see here is a type of a service like standard, div, move in, out. So if you want don't want, you can disable this option by simply click this switcher. Okay, I just enable this option for showing. And here is the title. You can customize this service title. This service title, actually this title. You can customize this title as well the subtitle. Also here is the tab title for multi-step form. Our second video, I was show the booking display settings. There I was show the multi-step booking. So their step, this is the title. You can set this step title here. Okay. Now type of cleaning section, you can customize these type settings like box or select type. By default we can see this is the box style. We can select this select type. As well we can set the discount type like percentage or flat rate, and discount from individual or total amount. So when you select individual, then must be item price. You have to set the item price, or you can select total amount. Item price will be 0. You can see this label. Okay. So I just select individual. Okay. And discount type like flat rate, and this is a require or not. By default it enable. That's mean the type is a require. As you can see here, 3 type. You can add more type if you want by simply a simple click this add button. So just click add button, and here I can set the you can set the type ID and type title. As well you can set the item price and as well discount amount, or you can hide this option. If for example I just select normal and item price 30 and title I can write normal, Other thing is 0. We can set also discount like 5. Okay. Then after that, I can see the same type label. This is same because I just click add and it actually duplicate the last item. That's why I can see. And after when we set change and reload this type, then I can see our edit type. Okay. Mm, Again, go to the. It's just loading. Okay. Uh, Type. This is the normal type. And if I reload the booking page, yes, we can see the normal type with select style because I just input type set select. Okay, now we can see the normal type. So we can add a new type or we can simply remove this type. Okay, and I just input type select box. Okay, as well we can display advanced search box. We can enable this option if we want to display advanced search box. Okay, now the frequency. Frequency mean actually your booking type like weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. So you can see set your frequency under these settings. Okay, and first option is disable or enable. It by default enable. If you don't want, you can disable this option by enabling this switcher. Also, you can set this title and subtitle as like frequency type. So this is the frequency, title and subtitle. So as well, you can set the tab title like or other. Uh, okay, now the frequency item. This is same. You can select type or box select. Box select. So by default, we can say here select option. The frequency. We can see the frequency item. So we can select box style or select style. Also discount type. We can set percentage or flat rate as well, discount from individual or total amount. It totally depends up to you. However, this is a default frequency. We can say we can add or remove this item like the type. So inside the frequency, if I show you, this is like monthly frequency. You can set this frequency as default uh, or normal. As well, you have to set the unique ID for every frequency. It's important. Okay, then you can type the payment type monthly or others you have to set, and this is title and this the item price for frequency. As well, you can set the condition for which type this frequency will be. You just click here and you can easily select this option, this type here. So now if I add the new frequency, like click add and type the unique like days 21. It's actually mean every 3 week. Okay, I just remove this option since we see all frequency available by default, but you can easily manage this option easily. Okay, then next option, optional settings. You can disable renew title, or you can say also you can set the recurring limit like 2 or 3 for monthly. Also you can set advanced search display option enable or disable easily, and after that you have to save change. So hopefully you can understand this frequency, how you can manage this frequency. Okay. Now next step is a service item. This is most important for booking service. So inside the booking form, we can see this is the service like bedroom, bathroom, square feet, and this is the title and subtitle. So you can easily manage this title, this subtitle. Also for a multi-step form, you can set title, and this is the enable disable section. If you don't want, you can simply disable this option. Okay. Now the service item, you can set input type like box style. By default, we can see the input type is select. That's why we can select this service item. Okay. So if you want, you can set the boxed style. Okay. And also icon type, you can set image or icon. Okay. And the if you set a service icon or image, then you can easily set this. Okay. And discount type, you can set percentage or flat rate. And as you can see, this is 3 service. We can see bedroom, bathroom, and square feet. And that's why we can see there are 3 service: bedroom, bathroom, and square feet. And this is the service item. So now I will show how we can set service item. So inside the bedroom, if I expand this service, we can say this this ID, service ID, it's must be unique, and this is the service price. And here the service max below, that's mean there will be 5 service. And if I expand, we can say the 5 service. And default item, you can set default item. Their default item is 2, that's mean 2 bedroom default. So if you want 1 or 3, you have to just set 3 or 2. And this is discount amount. You can set discount amount if you want. Also here the child item, if you want to set service item custom, then you can set service item. By default we set mixed below 5, that's why we see the service item 5 item. It's dynamic showing 5 item, and show the price 20. So if you want, you can set a child item for a custom item. And other service item is almost same. You can set service item, also you can set custom, also square feet, you can easily set this. Okay, this is child item, square feet, that's why we can see that service item. So you can set easily child item and set the child item price, like for uh, 500 square feet 20 and others. So you can easily set. As well, you can set the type condition for which type will be this service. You can easily set this type. So hopefully you can understand how you can manage the service inside the backend for showing a booking from. So next, the extra item, you can set the extra item. So this is actually extra service, and this is the extra service title and subtitle. So you can easily change the title and subtitle. And icon type, you can set image or icon. They are default showing image, and that's why we can see the extra item image here. Okay. And discount type flat rate, you can set percentage. It's totally different up to you. You can set everything, percentage or flat rate. And this is a default for extra item. If I show inside the extra item, here the item unique ID, here the item price, here the icon title, clean oven, and that's why you can see the title. And this is the service price, and that's why we see the service price here. Okay. And this is image URL. We see the icon type image. That's why we can easily input the image URL by uploading image. Also, we can set a discount amount as well, the condition type, and others. Extra item almost same, or you can easily add new service item by clicking this add button. Okay, then you can configure other information. So I just simply remove this option. And after that, you have to save all changes. And the date time, it's most important for this booking. So here is the date time section, service section. So first you can disable this option if you want, and this is the title and subtitle. For this title and subtitle, you can easily customize this title. And this is tab title for multi-step booking form. And now I will explain the time slot. So there we can set box or select type. By default, we can see the input type is boxed. That's why we can see the box style service booking time. So then you can select the time distance like hourly or half hourly. By default, it's showing hourly. That's why we can set hourly time slot. And if we select half hour, then we can set half hour, and after that we have to change and reload for showing the half hour time. And then easily you can add the time, like I just select 8 p.m. Sorry, this is actually start time. You can select start time, and this is the time, and you can add new time. Like for that you have to click add time, then you can select the time like 11 p.m. and another time like 10 p.m. and it moved to up. And now if we have to see this title, you have to just save and have to reload this browser for showing update item. Okay, now we, as you can see here, a new time 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. So you can set time, and if I show the booking from, you can see the new two time added the booking from 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. So you can easily add or delete this time. It's depend up to you. So this is time settings. You can allow multi-time booking by enable this switcher. Then you can set the limit of booking. same time, like 2, 3, or 5. You can set the number like 5, multi-time booking. And this is a first appointment date. You can enable this option for this first appointment date, and it's actually select default 2 days date for first appointment date. Okay, and you can limit the date for booking like 15 or 20. It depends up to you. You can set your limit date here. Okay, and it's important for enabling multi-time booking. Then in schedule date. So if I go again booking form, there the first appointment date customer can select, as well in schedule date is most important for select from the customer. Or if you want, you can not display, or you can set not display or optional, or display and require. And also in date, limit of in date you can select, and by default it 90 date. It's actually work when you set not display or optional. Then customer uh, not set the in date, and after that the in date will be work in that which you set inside the in date. Okay, and now disable time settings. You can disable a 2 days booking by enabling this option. Also you can disable limit date, like from today disable booking will be 2 days. You can set 2 days here. You actually 2 days to actually mean the next 2 days. So you can set disable this if you want. Okay. Also, you can set your booking weekend, like Friday and Saturday. This day actually will be disabled inside the calendar. Or disable booking, you can set the booking date for disabling booking. Okay. And after that, you have to save change. So we set weekend, Friday and Saturday. So now if I reload the booking form, okay, we can see Friday and Saturday is disabled. Why? Because we said weekend there. So hopefully you can understand the date time related settings. So if you have any question or concern, just let me know in comment box, or our support. We will explain you better. And this is custom field. We can set a custom field if you want. So you can also disable or enable this option. This is actually this is the custom field for additional service. So you can change the title, as well set subtitle. Also you can set field. So we see there one field, and this is field level. So we can see this level, and the input field type is text area. That's why we can see the text area, and we can write something while booking. So this is from type. Hopefully you can understand every from data, like type, frequency, service time, extra item, date time, and custom fields. So if you have any question or concern related our service or from data, just let me know. Then I will explain you later. So until then, stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.